Legal Somalian foreigners marched to a police station in Tshwane to demand respect. They also demand that the police must stop checking if they have proper documents to be in South Africa. Imagine.
Nokufeint yeah nokufeint
Doctor phela God. That's the guy ngisesiphakathini.
abanye allegedly bathi they died through vaccine. Is it true?
Yes. And then abanye like in fact lento le yamongaza indaba zayo because kunamanye ama-video ngiwabonile through TikTok nama-YouTube. Umuntu athadlala ibhola awe athi yokhava ibhola avela agijima afika awe.
Ongitshele wena ngoba kunama-gynecologist wena oyiphi wena?
Mina bengile bathini na. Engilete tisayo bayibizani konje. Ile-logist.
School lento the way ngiyizwa ngakhona ne lo mjida uthi ucela ithuba lokuthi aze bafike la undocumented ane bathengise lezi zinto zabo ezifake ba manufacture lezi zinto zabo ezifake so that bazokhona ukuthola amaphepha.
Kusho khona ngithi bajwayele phela into bayijwayele laba kusi bathini ukhipha 1000 ukuze ahlale la kusinto akusisimanga kuye into ayenza each and every day. Ba driver utathi akunakhula line license akunamuntu ongaphansi kuna license uthi ba driver ngani ba driver ngama 50 rand. So bajwayele ukunyoba. Yeah. Maintain.
Ufuna ukuqala
ngibambelani. Phakathi abantu basemhlabeni yakwazi kamhlabeni lingani igiyaza yenza next lapha ngisho neMozambique imbala so
bathi kwamhlabeni lingana ayikho into
usachubeka
indleke